I made $30,000 last month by making simple videos like this for TikTok. And honestly, you can do the same. To get started, all you need is 1,000 to 5,000 followers, which you can get really quickly. And I'm gonna post a video on this very soon. Once you have done that, all you gotta do is get accepted into the TikTok Shop affiliate program, which typically just accept anyone that meets those follower requirements. Next, then you're gonna find a viral video and just copy the exact same script. To get the product for the video that you're gonna post, you can just request a free sample. I honestly think this is probably the best business model out there. So you're probably wondering, is this all true? Look, there's three parts of a viral video and what makes it go viral. It's the hook, the storytelling part, and the call to action. If you go get those three down, your video is going to go viral. Maybe it's not going to be your first video that's going to go viral, but it's probably going to be your third or fourth or even 10th. There's no quick way to do this, but we all know TikTok is a short attention span platform. To just make engaging content and you will get views and you will get sales. What's really good about this business model is you don't even need inventory. You literally get the product for free. You can use your phone, and at the end of the day, you're just using your own creativity. Especially if you're itching to quit your job, I think this is the best way forward. Now, more than likely, you already have a TikTok account and it probably has at least 5,000 followers or even less. It's easy to grow a TikTok account. So who cares what your friends think? Who cares what your family thinks? Just start posting on there. And in reality, some of these products that are on TikTok, you probably already have. Now, I know what you're going to say. TikTok is about to be banned. Yeah, maybe it is. But they've been trying to ban TikTok for a while. And our new president, he likes TikTok and he might save it. But you still have a lot of time. You might as well milk it now before it goes away. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to do this business model from zero to $10,000 per month, I left the link in the bio. Now, there is a 3-day free trial for my program. So to be honest, in those 3 days, you can just grind on the program, learn everything you need to know, and then leave right after that.